Greetings, Vektor T13 is here, and in this video I will show you how to use the Antidetect 3 Patreon Premium Edition, November revision number 4. So let's start. First we need to create a platform for installing our operating system. I will select the name, something like V10 test, yeah? We will work only with the Windows 10. And because I have a lot of RAM, I will select for example 16 gigabytes of RAM for my video. Click create, and you got it. After that, go to the settings, system, processor. Don't ever use one CPU. The 2 CPU is the minimum amount. You know why? Because every website can retrieve the core number from your computer. So if you will use just one CPU, that means you're using computer from the year of 2005 or something like that. So I have a lot of CPU cores, so I will select 4 cores, yeah. After that, go to the display. Don't use the 3D acceleration. Don't use it. After that, go to the USB and select USB 2.0. You must select the USB 2.0 because USB 3.0 has an issue and our virtual machine can be detected like a virtual machine. It's not my issue, it's an Oracle company issue, yeah. So until it will be fixed by me or by the Oracle company, you need to use the USB 2.0. It affects only the devices that you are trying to connect to the virtual machine. For example, webcam or USB flash drive or the Wi-Fi adapter, something like that, yeah? So after that, go to the Antidetect presets, click enable presets, and I will, for example, in this video, I will use the presets for the Amazon. Go to the hardware, yeah? Select some, I don't know, some random CPU, also some random data here. Some people are asking me why Vektor, why when you are using your hardware randomizer, yeah, we have only few serial numbers. I will tell you why. If you will restart your Antidetect, all the serial numbers that you can see here, or even here, all the serial numbers will be different. I was made it because of the user-friendly interface, yeah. So after you have successfully selected some data here, you will go to the drives and select here some random data, yeah. Select optical drive, the same, yeah, something like that. Wonderful. Go to the GPU and don't use the AMD or Intel GPU. They will be cut in the December release of the Antidetect Patreon edition. So use only NVIDIA. Go to the RAM, and as you remember, I have 16 gigabytes of RAM here, yeah. So I will select 2 slots of 8 gigabytes of RAM. I will use the same slots, but with the different serial numbers. Go to the ports, and just take a look on the back of your computer, yeah, and select the same ports, for example. It doesn't affect when you are using the websites, but I recommend to use it because it's a pretty simple ability to detect the virtual machine just by requesting the ports, yeah. You can find on the GitHub a lot of info about it, yeah, and there is a few tests that was not bypassed by any virtual machine except mine. So after that, go to the keyboard, yeah, select some kind of mouse, keyboard here, ACPI, IHCI, OHCI, the same one, yeah. So after that, go to the network, select the network card. For example, we will use the Intel network card and input the MAC address. It will be A1B501, something like that. And when you're using your home PC, yeah, you know that you have a MAC address. It's a unique physical address of your network card. But some people doesn't know that your router, your Wi-Fi router, has also the MAC address, and your computer always know your router MAC address. always. So they are communicated by on the physical layer. Yeah, they was communicated by based on the MAC addresses. So we will select, for example, we have a TP-Link router, yeah, and we will select the MAC address, choose the MAC address 04E1E1F3, something like that. Click OK. So now our platform is ready to start Windows installation. Just click Start. Select the Windows ISO file. Did I select it English? Yeah, English. Okay, so now the regular Windows installation will start. I will make a pause, yeah, because you don't need to see something here, because this is just a regular Windows installation process and there is nothing special or nothing interesting. So I will just start it, yeah, and after that you will see, we will come back when we will create our user profile inside the operating system Windows. So our operating system was successfully installed and we can proceed and create the user profile. So we will select setup for personal use, click next, select offline account, limited experience, and select the name, for example, user. We will don't use the password. On the privacy settings, we will deselect the Find My Device, inking and typing, diagnostic data. We will leave only location, yeah. So also we will deselect the advertising ID and tailored experience. Click Accept. We will don't use Cortana. So, finally, in just a few seconds, we will see our desktop screen. Finally, we can see our desktop screen. So first, we will go and install drivers for our GPU. So click Device, insert Guest Edition CD image, and after that go to the Explorer, driver folder, NVIDIA, and install the NVIDIA drivers. Just click Next, and the rest will be done automatically. We will not reboot right now. Also, when you're installing GPU drivers, the shared folder driver, the clipboard driver, drag and drop driver will be installed automatically. So we will go to the settings and select some high and popular resolution. For example, something like this. Yeah. Okay, wonderful. So after that, we are going to the standard Windows settings. Press right mouse button on the start button. Yeah. Go to the settings. After that, go to the privacy. Deselect those switches. Yeah. Turn it off. Go to the speech. Check the speech. Check inking and typing. Turn it off. Diagnostic and feedback. Here, feedback frequency. Select never. Delay the diagnostic data. After that, go to the activity history. Deselect this checkbox, store my activity history on this device. Click clear. So that's it. We don't need to set it up anymore, anything here. We only need to go to the control panel. In the control panel, we'll go to the system and security, power options, and we will select the high performance power plan. So after that, close it, yeah, and we can proceed. We will go again on the Guest Edition CD image, go to the tools, and we will select the Tune to Socks, put it on the desktop. We will install the time sync. I will describe and tell you what we will do with those software, but a little later. First we need to install it. Click next, install, yes. Wonderful. We will don't use anti-RTC, don't use it. We will use the anti-OS only. And also I recommend you, do not use scaling. Here, don't use scaling, or even here, the standard Windows scaling, don't use it. Use only recommended 100%, because your DPI will change and the screen resolution will change, and that's why the website will see some anomaly. So don't use it. So we only need Tune2Socks, TimeSync, and AntiOS. That's it, nothing more. We will start from the Tune2Socks. We will extract it on the desktop. Great. And we will delete the archive. And empty recycle bin. After that, we will launch. No, will not launch. As you see, this time, yeah, when you are launching your virtual machine, it will automatically synchronize with your IP address and with your host machine time. But I have a proxy here, as you can see, and also I have noted that my proxy server time zones. So first I will select the time zone and pay attention that until you will restart your computer, until that time your real time zone can be retrieved by the local software from the BIOS time. So pay attention about it. I will click sync now. So it's 9 a.m. on the Eastern time, US and Canada. Wonderful. So close it. After that, launch AntiOS. The only one reason that we are using AntiOS right now is to make our system looks older. Yeah, it's the main goal. And the second reason, we need to delete logs. So we will go to the Windows IDs tab. We will deselect the System SN checkbox, because the System SN, a serial number of your system logical drive, can be retrieved only by the local software. So if you are using it, if you are working with the websites, you don't need to use it. So uncheck it and click Change IDs. In just 10-15 seconds, the operation will be finished, and we finally can restart our computer, our virtual machine. So now, yeah, click on the restart button. Wonderful. Let's wait a little bit. Also, you must remember that 90% of your virtual machine speed depends from your hardware. So username was successfully changed. As you remember, we have selected the username, yeah. So now our time was synchronized, but also I recommend you to use this little tool just for one or few times. You know why? Because the virtual machine clock depends from your hardware and from your local hardware, yeah, host hardware, and that's why it can be some issues with the time inside your virtual machine. So I recommend to use this simple tool. Go to the servers. Here on the standard servers, you can see a lot of some kind of SMTP servers. So I will select just some random server, click Make it Primary, and click Test Primary. Succeed. You see, that's wonderful. Okay, click OK and sync system clock. As you see, the little difference, the really little difference, but this difference is important, really important. The lower the difference will be, the more success you will get in your work. So the last thing that we need to set up, it's proxy. So we will open Tune2Socks folder. Here you can see the start.bat file, yeah? open it with the notepad. Here you can see the proxy server IP and proxy port. So I will turn on the shared clipboard, open my proxy file, and copy proxy from my host system to the virtual machine. Click paste, yeah, and copy the port. Also paste it here. After that, click save, yeah. Copy the address of the TwinToSox folder. Open the PowerShell. In the PowerShell, I will input cmd to go to from the PowerShell to the standard command prompt. Input the cd, that means change directory, and we will go to the TwinToSox folder. As you can understand, now we need to launch this startbot file. So startbot, click enter, and now we need to install additional device. Yeah. Why we are using TwinToSox instead of the Proxifier? Because Proxifier will work only on the application layer from the network OC model, and it will never get all of the connection of the virtual machine connections inside. So that's why we are using TwinToSox, which is similar to the OpenVPN, as you can see. Now we are installing top adapter. That means all of the connection from our virtual machine will go directly through our proxy. It's important. It's really important. Don't use Proxifier anymore. So click install, and now our proxy will start. It's pretty simple. It's really simpler even from the Proxifier, comparing with the Proxifier. So as you see, TCP and UDP protocols are turned on, but if your proxy doesn't accept the UDP connections, you will not be able to use the UDP. Okay, so I think it was the last action that we need to do. We will open Microsoft Edge, and we will start our work. Why not? So Microsoft software is not so fast as we want it. Okay, click complete, close it. Yeah. So go to the first. We will start from the Gmail. All the work will start from the Gmail. So what happens here? Oh my gosh, something strange. Google Mail. Yeah. Going from the Bing. Don't use the gmail.com address because you need to, give a referrer. And now we will create the account, create my account for myself. And so what is the name? Name will be Vektor. Vektor, something like that. I don't know. So now we will input the username and let it be November Vektor Video 007, something like that. Also we will select the password, Vektor 007 Vic. I don't know. I think we need to paste it here because I can forget it. So it's our, yeah. Okay, click next. Now we need to wait because it depends from our proxy. So what is the situation with proxy? It stucks. I think it stucks. Oh, let's refresh the page. Yeah. Now I'm using the LuxSox right now, and as you can see, there is a problem with this proxy. There is a problem with this proxy because I think this proxy is dead. Oh, but I can save here our credentials. Wow, wonderful. So, Gmail not work anymore? Or will? Oh, I don't know what happens. Really, I don't know. Something went wrong. Create an account maybe here? Yeah. Okay, let's try again. Vektor, Vektor, and select this password. Yeah, wonderful. Paste it here. Okay, let's try again. Will our proxy work or not? Oh my gosh, I think this proxy is just a piece of shit. Really. Don't. Motherfuckers. We will don't use this proxy and we will create new profile, add profile. Yeah, great. Continue without signing in. Okay, so as you understand, we need to change the proxy. So we will, on the keyboard, we will we will press Ctrl and C. Yeah, click this, close this. So now we need to edit our bat file and edit our time zone. And we will select another proxy. And the time zone in this case will be different. So we will choose another time, Central Time, and click sync. Yeah, we got it. So great. Let's start again. Start bot, and yeah, our connection is turned on. So what is our profile? Profile number 2. Yeah, we'll select the profile number 2. So go to the Gmail mail, something like that. Again, from the Bing. Again here. Again, create the account. We will use the different data, for example, biggest mama, something like that. Yeah, and also the login will be, I don't know, big mommy boy, I don't know. Let's try this login. And the different password, something like big mom. Okay, click next. As you can see, we don't need to input the phone number, yeah, so it's optional, but I recommend you to input the phone number. You can check the phone number on the detect.expert.com, yeah, detect.expert website. Yeah, it's my website, and you need to understand that Google are not thinking that you are a thief or you are some kind of asshole that you need to be punished. First of all, Google try to help you to secure your account. That's why if you have some kind of some suspicious activity and you don't have a phone number, to retrieve your account and you don't have the email recovery address, the Google will be, you know, they want to take care of you. So best way is to input some kind of phone number here. But I will don't use it because in this video I don't need to, you know, make it work for a long time. And I will select our gender, click next, save here, click I agree. So our Gmail account was successfully created without any another one-time password confirmation. Yeah. If you will do the same things that I do on my video, you will get get success. Yeah. And if you will do something else, you will fail. Remember that. So after that, let's try on the Amazon. Sometimes the Amazon will be more, you know, will be harder to defeat. Let's try. So we are a new customer, click start here, and we will select our name, Big Mommy Boy. Mobile or email number. Do you remember our email number, email account? I don't remember it. Copy, paste it here. Yeah. The password, Big Mom 2021. Yeah. Wonderful. And let input in here. Verify the email. Oh, if you see the puzzle, that means your IP is sucks. Unfortunately, this is the truth. So, Spiral Galaxy. I'm not sure that Google will not, the Amazon will not request the one-time password from the SMS, yeah. But unfortunately, this thing is not depend from the Antidetect. It only depends from your proxy. So let's try to verify, and yeah, it's fail, complete fail. The Amazon wants our mobile number. That means the proxy number 2 that I have selected from the list sucks. Okay, so we need to do something with it. Let's close the web pages and we will open another profile in the browser. We'll click add profile. Yep. So here, continue without signing in. We will stop our proxy. And I need to cross my fingers to make the last proxy works as well. So input this shit here. Yeah. Great. Click save. Again, start but. The same time zone, so we don't need to sync it. Everything works well. Okay. So let's try again Google Mail. Go to the Gmail. And wait, and wait, and wait. Create account. Oh my god. I don't know. Maurizio Gucci. Have you seen the House of Gucci movie? Oh, so Mauri Gucci. Oh, that's enough. Gucci. I don't know, something like that. Click next. Again, we have an optional telephone number. The gender will be male. Click next. Save it here. Click agree. So everything works well. Let's go to the Amazon. So I will copy my account, go to the Amazon sign form, create the Amazon account. Your name, Mauri Gucci. Mobile number or email. Oh, that's great. And the password, oh my god. Gucci 1956 superb. Yeah. Gucci 1956 superb. The same one? The same one. Okay, click verify mail. Again, this fucking puzzle. If you see this fucking puzzle, that means you will be failed again, and again. Because your proxy, oh, in this case, my proxy is complete shit. Pink the Spiral Galaxy. I bet that they will request one-time password again from the telephone number. Yeah, the same shit. Completely the same shit. Okay, I will now select another proxy. So this is my LuxSox account. Let's try to find another proxy, I don't know, with a good speed. Oh my god. It's horrible. It's really horrible. But I must show you that so this is a good speed, but with the spam house, it's a piece of shit, and not a good proxy, it's a piece of shit. Okay, so where is our history? Clarksville. Where the fuck is the Clarksville located? Clarksville time zone. So Central Standard Time. Wonderful. I will, just to make sure, I will check again Central Time. Yeah, that's great. So, okay, I will open another profile. I will close the Amazon here. Yep. Yeah, I have closed the Amazon here. I will add new profile. Okay, continue with that signing in. And we will now stop our proxy, shut it down. And as you can see, we will take IP address from here. Yeah. As you can see here, you can see our previous proxies that we have tested, yeah? And the port will be here. Okay, save it. Click start. I will one stop before we will register the Amazon account without an SMS. So again, Gmail, mail, Gmail, mail. Maybe on this proxy, as you can see, I have selected the proxy with the blacklists. Yeah, so this proxy will be not so good. So let's try again. I don't know. Valdo Rojas. I guess it's from the Scarface. Valdo Superman 23. Valdo Superman 23. So that will be the password. Trumpes 2017. Okay, click next. Okay, the phone number is also optional. July. Even on the bad proxy, as you can see from the same system, we have successfully registered 3 Gmail accounts, even without you using another browser or another system. Because Antidetect works really well if you will be attention and you will follow my video guide. It's important. So why did I open the Facebook? I need to go to the Amazon. Maybe we'll go from the Google. Why not? So the Amazon. Let's try again. Create the Amazon account. So the name will be Valdo Rojas 23. I see the email address is Valdo Seperman. Valdo Seperman. Maybe he's a Jew. Okay, gmail.com. The password will be Valdo Jualdo. Yeah, Valdo Jualdo. We will create the Amazon account. Again, this fucking puzzle. We will not stop until our Amazon will be defeated. But I will also check this puzzle. I don't know how long it will take. One-time password. Here, verify. Again, mobile number. So fuck it. Okay, we will create another profile. Why not? And here we will close. I will close the rest of the profiles. Yeah. I will now close all of the profiles, and I think I will check if there is some kind of history. Maybe I don't know. I will click everything. So great. Let's start again. We will stop our proxy. We will open the start bot file. We will go to the LuxOx. We will try to find some else proxy. So what can we choose? For example, not from the first page. Unfortunately, you cannot know does this IP address was used in the Amazon 5 minutes ago or 1 day ago. Princeton Junction. Oh my god. No, the San Diego time zone. What is the time zone of the San Diego? UTC. Okay, this is a different time zone. Pacific time. I think it's a Pacific time. So it's 6 a.m. Not such a good time to work with the Amazon, but we need to check it. Okay. Hey, why it says that I'm a profile number 1? There's some kind of shit with those profiles. Now I'm now I'm on the profile number 5. Yeah, correct. So okay, we will buy the proxy of the San Diego. Also the bad proxy, as you can see. This proxy has also issues with the blacklists. We can check them on the detect.expert, yeah, but I want to show you that it's really important to have a good proxy provider, because without it, even with a good Antidetect, you will have problems. Okay, so, oh my god, let's try again. Gmail. Create account. And I think this proxy is not so fast as we want it. So, will you work or not? This is just a fucking brilliant quality. Oh, this piece of shit doesn't work. Okay, let's go again. I'm sorry for my French, but that's fucking shit. Stop it. Okay. I don't know what else I can select here. Hold on. I will open the detect.expert account. So, as you see, we will now check all of our proxy on the detect.expert account. So let's try again. Let's try some proxy, I don't know, from the page number 10 maybe. So, as I see, there is 398 pages. Okay, doesn't matter. Let's select with the lowest ping, for example, this account, this proxy. As you can see, spam house, low risk, proxy score 2. Oh, but we will check it. So Norrinston, this is the real IP address. Let's check it on the detect.expert. Oh my god, active abuses. Okay. We will don't even try to use this proxy. I was thought that this video will take only approximately 20 minutes and that's it. But unfortunately, as you can see, trying to find a good proxy is a real big deal. I will try to sort it by the both time. Maybe I will find some completely new. Oh yeah, there is some kind of proxy with a low risk. Okay, doesn't matter, we will buy it. Can't buy at the moment, please try again. Oh, for sure. Great. Wonderful proxy provider, just brilliant. Okay, let's try again. So, with a good speed, something like, don't know, this one. I will select this one. Okay, so maybe this proxy will be okay. Yeah, brilliant proxy, brilliant. Unfortunately, as I said, we can't know that this proxy wasn't used by the Amazon just, for example, a few minutes ago. Maybe some guy, when I'm recording this video right now, maybe some guy also bought this proxy, yeah. Or maybe this proxy provider are just lying to us. I don't know. Let's start again. It's horrible, really horrible, to spend so much time for this simple action. So profile number 5, yeah, let's refresh the page and go from the Gmail. Oh, my fault. Where is the Laurel? MS, Mississippi. Laurel, Mississippi time zone. Central time zone. So that's my fault. Central time zone, Central America. I think now. Stop the proxy. Start the proxy. Okay. So the same, unfortunately, the same, the different time zone, the different IP address, and I'm trying to register Gmail. Oh my God. I hope I will don't fall. Hope is not here. Ah, fail. As I thought. Unfortunately, this. Unfortunately, as you can see, I have changed my time zone. So I think we will do the next trick. Chrome. We will download the Chrome. Or maybe. Yeah, we will download the Chrome. Even on the completely clean proxy, we have a problems. So, where the fuck is it? Chrome setup. Wonderful. Finally, it was downloaded. Yeah. And we will close our browser and we will select another proxy. Also, we will change. We will check the time. So the good proxy is the half of the success, but good proxy is not here. I don't know. Again, low risk. Oh my God. It's horrible. It's really horrible. So what about this proxy? Is it clean or not? Oh my fucking God, it's horrible. I'm spending more than fucking 40 minutes to register, just to check, get some fucking good proxy. I'm sorry for my French. My fucking god. Okay, let it be, I don't know, where am I right now? That's Central Time. Central Time is in Mississippi. Where is the MS? I don't know, I will take... Did I use some kind of filters or not? Okay, let's try, I don't know, maybe so-so. So-so. Mississippi... Central Time also. Great. So I will now turn off the proxy. Yeah, turn it off. I will sync my time. Oh my god, did you see? Did you see this extremely big? Oh my god, oh my god. That's horrible. That's really horrible. Let's try to use the regular sync. Yeah, and... Oh my fucking god. That's horrible. I think this video will never end. Okay. You know, let's try this Android. I will not even check this. I will not even check this proxy because I'm tired of this. I'm tired of this shitty proxy. I'm tired of this video. Save. So fuck. You must fucking work right now. Piece of shit. Yeah, run. This video will never end. Oh my god. What is the speed of this proxy? Can we see it somewhere here? The ping is extreme. Oh my god. It's fucking piece of shit. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. I don't know what to say about this fucking fuck. This... Oh my god, this proxy is just a junk. I will now... Okay. Maybe I will try something else. I will select the residential. Extra clean. Add today. Now I hope it will give me just a magnificent quality of the proxy. Yeah? 80 cents. Okay, Hampton. Where the fuck is Hampton? I don't know. Let's try. We'll go to the history. So this is our IP address. Yeah, completely clean. Residential. Yeah. Almost. It's not residential, it's a mobile, but never mind. Never mind. This proxy is clean. Close it. Shut it down. And start again. Oh, this proxy is faster. So, let's try. Oh my god. I forgot to what? To do what? To sync the time. Hampton. Where the fuck is Hampton? Time zone. Eastern time. Oh my god. Okay. Let it be Eastern time. Sync now. And launch again. Gmail. I don't know how many Gmail accounts we can register from one profile, from one virtual machine. So let's try Amazon. No puzzle. Oh my god. Great. It's fucking great. After 40 minutes of struggling, we finally registered our Amazon account without an SMS. And how many? 5 or 6 Gmail accounts we have registered here, yeah? But as you can see, yeah, our main difference between all of those registrations was the IP addresses. It was the same, it's the same virtual machine, same hardware. Everything was the same, except the IP address. Good IP address with a good fraud rate, yeah, that means good fraud rate means 0. Give us Amazon account without an SMS. So, unfortunately, not all of the people can understand that this is extremely important. You know what? Just imagine watches, yeah. Just imagine that you have a watches. How did watches work? They have a lot of gears, yeah. Lot of gears, lot of, I don't know, some another complicated things, yeah. And if in these watches, in these good watches, some gear will fail, yeah, some gear will not work, all watches will not work also. They will be just a pretty toy and nothing else. So now, as you can see, the Amazon works, a lot of Gmail accounts from the same system works, yeah, and it all depends from the IP address. We have found a good IP address and everything works smoothly. So, thank you for your attention. I hope you will follow my guide, and if you will fail, yeah, don't be sad. Try again with a good IP. Thank you so much for your attention. But I think also we need to check the Facebook. Why not? Facebook is also a popular system, yeah? So we will create new account and it will be Samuel Sadomas. I don't know, something shit like that. We will copy this email, paste it here, re-enter email again, and new password, Hampton Falcons 1967. Yeah, something like that. April 967. Mail. Sign up. So it works. Here, as you see the progress bar. So now we need to confirm our account. Yeah, I just click in mouse button. And here, even on the Facebook, everything works well. So, thank you again, once again. Thank you for your attention. Thank you for staying with me for this 1 hour. And as I said, again and again, follow my guide and you will get a success. If you will not follow my guide, you will fail. Thank you so much. Love you all. God bless you and stay safe. Goodbye.
Here comes the money.
Here we go. Money talk.
Here comes the money.